Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to activate Chime credit card. So if you want to activate your Chime credit card, what you have to do is open the Chime application. You'll only be able to activate your card via the mobile app. So first of all, what you have to do is simply open the Chime application and log into your checking account. After you logged into your account, at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the profile icon. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you'll be led to another interface. Over there, you'll be able to find the option for account settings. Simply tap on the option account settings. After that, you'll have to access the credit card that you want to activate. The card can be debit card or credit builder card, so simply click on the card of your choice. After that, you'll be able to find the option for activate new card. All you have to do is tap on it. You'll be prompted to enter the card CVV. Simply enter the CVV, set and confirm your PIN, and your card will be activated like this. Or if you do not want to activate your card via the mobile application, you can also do it via phone. All you have to do is simply call this number that you can see right over here on this screen. Simply dial this number, call this number and say that you want to activate your card. After that, follow through the prompts and you'll be able to activate the Chime credit card. So that is how you activate Chime credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.